Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 10 Bay Heights Circle in Geneva.
This is a fantastic ranch home updated to perfection. So let's take a tour.
This is open one-floor living with a great room, featuring a stunning white and bright kitchen with beautiful cabinetry, quartz countertops, and a breakfast bar, an adjacent dining area with deck access, and a spacious living area, all with cathedral ceilings and beautiful hardwood floors. This home also features a powder room and laundry, plus 2 spacious bedrooms and an adjacent full bathroom, including a master bedroom with a walk-in closet.
Enjoy this entertainment-sized deck with beautiful landscaping in a private backyard with scenic nature views. This property is located in the heart of wine country with nearby beautiful Seneca Lake. Here we are at the north end of beautiful Seneca Lake with panoramic views and the city of Geneva. Rob, this is a great place.
This is amazing Sampson State Park, which features over 2,000 acres for all your outdoor activities. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Seneca Lake. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 10 Bay Heights Circle in Geneva.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!